Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to create mockups in Canva. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Here we are on the canva.com homepage, and now to create the mockup, let's say that I want to create a t-shirt, like t-shirt design. So let us search for the t-shirt, and we could find this. Click on this, and this Canva will be generating us different templates of t-shirt designs. You can choose one among these and you can edit them according to you, and you can customize these templates, or else we can create a blank t-shirt and we can design it according to your own design. So now let us create a blank t-shirt, and now we are having this blank page or as of now. So let us give some color to this. Click on this and click on the colors, and let's say that I want to go with something like violet or purple, or yeah, so in the violet or purple we can just choose our shade. Let's say that I'm going with this shade, and now you can add your text by going to this feature of text, and you can choose any font combination that you feel that is suitable, or you go and give a plain text and give different fonts. Let's say that I want to use this, and you can adjust this and you can resize this. Now you can go to the elements and add different elements that whichever you feel that are relevant to your design. So you can search for some patterns and you can add them to your design. So there are many patterns that are available. You can add them, and you can even add some pictures by using this upload button, and there are different designs that you can use. So let me just use a very basic ones, like I just want to uh, give them to the sides like this. So you can adjust them in any way that you feel that is relevant to your idea. So I want to give it uh, like this. I'm using the patterns like this, and I feel that this is the design that I want. So let's say that this is the design I'm willing to print the mockup. So once you're done with your design, so you can even use this uploads, you can use the text, you can use the elements section, design section for the templates. You can even draw things. After you're done with all the design, click on the share, and here you have this more. Click on the more and search for mockups. You find the smart mockups, and you need to create an account of the smart mockup so that you can publish your designs straight to the smart mockups. Click on the connect. Now we are done connecting it to the smart mockups, and now click on the save, and this will be preparing your design. So it would take us some couple of seconds to get it ready, and yes, we can go and view it in the smart mockups. Here on the t-shirts, on the you can just see it in different formats on the smartphones, on the mugs, like how you can print this on the desktop, on the t-shirts, which is our main thing. So you can browse all and look at the t-shirt mockups, what all how this looks like. So this is how your t-shirt looks in different ways. So here you can just find all the options, like you can print it, you can give the packaging for this. Like there are multiple options you can go and explore, so you can see a preview how this looks like. In the similar fashion, you can generate it for your mugs and other things, like you can see your e-readers, your social media videos, and watches, tablets, and many more things. So in this way you can create your mockups for free on the Canva. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.